So as we said many times, string is immutable. You cannot change string. Every time you invoke a method, you actually create a new string. You didn't change them. The good thing about it is it's safe. You don't need to worry about your string being changed accidentally or by someone else intentionally. However, there's also an issue, which is the performance. This performance both in speed and in utilization of memory space. Every time you have a new string, you have to create it. Even if just like very small changes, changing one character, you need to create a new one. And if the string is long, that can really lead to performance hit. Especially if you think about like text processing, we already see how text processing works. For like 10,000 or millions of text files, each contains millions of words. What's the odds of changing one or two character, and what's the impact of a performance, right? For this reason, there's also a string builder class. A string builder class is similar to string class. However, you can change the content of the string builder objects. You can change specific character, you can insert, delete, and perform other operations. A string builder object will grow or shrink in size as needed to accommodate the change. So as you can see, this is very convenient, and this can be a good performance gain. That's how you create a string builder and how you initialize it. String builder is very useful in a lot of third-party libraries because they seek to improve their performance by using string builder. Then you will need to convert once you finish your operation on a string builder. You will most likely you will need to convert it to string. So it's very common to see some third-party tool or library utilize a string builder, and then you need to doing all the conversions back and forth between string and string builder. Other string builders like char add, get chars, index of, as you can see, these are all like char level or substring level operations, which makes sense because string builder, the reason you create string builder is because you want to make change, right? And also append, you can do an object.append, string builder object append something. You can append like a primitive in literals, a char array, or string literal. After the append method is called, a string representation item will be appended. So this will produce something like this. We sold how many donuts for this much amount. If this is a string, not a string builder, you will have 4 separate strings. And when you print out this, when you try to form this new string, you will need to add and create one new string. And the new string is immutable. But here, once you finish the step, this string builder object is still mutable. You can actually change this 2 to 5, for example. Then it will become, we sold 15 donuts for $15.95. Then you can see that you don't need to recreate the string again, which is improvement in performance, but it's also dangerous if someone actually found your string builder memory address and make change here. So the string builder class can also have overloaded version of insert, which will have an int of the position to insert it on and the value to be inserted. So these are just the normal operations. It also have a replace method that can replace. So you can see you can replace, you can insert, you can delete, and you can build. All these methods are just the regular operations on the string. Just that the string builder, for string builder, you do that in place instead of out place, creating a new method, a new object. And things like a delete. And then finally, once you finish creating the string builder, you can convert it to string. to a regular string. And this is the very common way, like I said. You will provide a series of primitive data types or chars or smaller strings. Then you can use StringBuilder to create or to operate on this data and form a larger StringBuilder object and eventually convert this to string. So string is safer, but have a little bit of overhead in performance. And StringBuilder is much easier to operate, have a better performance. But usually, when you don't want to expose your StringBuilder object, unless this is provided as your service. You don't want to accidentally expose your StringBuilder because they are mutable. So for this course, we are not going to use StringBuilder, but it's widely used from third-party tools. So you need to know what they are and how they will be converted between string and the StringBuilder.